So, Empress started the discussion already that the president of Kenya is here with his wife and members of his government and security. And moments after 9 o'clock yesterday, he drove through the main park entrance at Hero Circle to pay tribute to the Right Honorable Marcus Garvey.
Yes, and you can see, something is happening with the recent delegation to Ghana
That's
for
Denby.
Panafest.
He was also at Denby, but that's not Hero Circle. But he was also at Denby.
Seeing our agriculture. Something's happening. So over the past few months, we had the president of Ghana, president of Kenya. We had a big delegation that went to Panafest recently.
Your husband was there to meet him at Heroes Park, wasn't he?
Well, rightfully so.
As the president of the Universal Negro Improvement Association.
And Pan-Africanist,
Yep.
Garveyite, lecturer, of course. And you know what? Neville, I feel you and I are heading to Africa too. I feel like there's something big about to happen. I think the Ghanaian president in the last trip said that we wouldn't have visas. Yeah, declared that there'd be no visa requirement for us Jamaicans to Ghana. I think something is happening about to happen with Jamaica.
Something is
and the
happening
motherland.
about to happen.
Something is happening and about to happen. So you can see them here, right? You can see us there. And you can see some big announcements to be made.
I would like to go,
feel
but I'm afraid of this long flight thing, man. I won't go, but I'm afraid, man.
Well,
So-
guess what? Africa is in your heart.
Yeah.
Even if you don't fly, you can give me the money to go for you
I shall.
and bring back something for you.
All right.
I liked your African shirt on Emancipation Day that you wore here. I'm so glad I've been able to influence you to find your Africanness. He's laughing because he's so African for a long time. You know what I'm saying? And then
love
the
it.
roots, man,
I love her. All right, folks. Empress also said the artifacts remains found in Helsha. Incredible. A quarry blast that was scheduled for May 28 in the hills of Helsha led to the discovery of artifacts believed to be at least 500 years old. 500 years old. I quote, we found bones, also some things that looked like plates and bowls. After removing the artifacts, sorry folks, they set off the blast and unfortunately the cave did not collapse. So, Go Development's miner Tal Gila from the city of Sderot, I think in Israel, uncovered the items while extracting sand, limestone, gravel and stone to produce construction aggregate. There you go. The artifacts were found in a rock shelter, which is a shallow cave-like opening in a cliff. It's actually a burial site because among the artifacts were human remains, skeletal remains, but not complete skeletal remains, just body parts.
15 bones
Wow.
and fragments of pottery
Incredible.
were found by the archaeologists. Wow. You see, that's why I tell people I want to be cremated. I don't want nobody come dig up for me bone in our future. But I find Empress bone somewhere. But it's actually important for our history and story to be able to find some of the artifacts where we don't have enough documented stories and history on our Tainos and our Africans here. There's still more stories to tell. And more research should be done because we weren't able to write our truth, you understand?
Yep.
So, but I will join Queen Ifreak and all the advocates to say no mining in the cockpit country. That is what we're advocating for. So we want the government of Jamaica to hear the people are speaking and the people have a voice. So advocates, continue to do what you're doing. If you know what will happen if mining happens in your town, your city, your cockpit country, then speak up. It's good to advocate for what you want, which protects you. Keep on going, let your voices be heard.